Hi guys, this is Lisa Gonzalez here with Phillips Chevrolet in Frankfort. I'm going to be showing you how to pair your cell phone and Bluetooth on a 2018 Chevy Equinox. First, go to settings on your phone. Go to Bluetooth. Make sure your Bluetooth is turned on. Put a search in. Now we're going to go to phone on our Chevy MyLink system. Press pair device. You should get both pin codes on each side. I'm going to click Chevy MyLink here. Our pin code pops up as the same number, so press pair, press yes, and then it shows pairing successful, and then you are officially paired. So now when you go back to your phone, it's going to have access to your contacts, call history, voicemails, anything, as long as you give it access to that. And that is how you pair your smartphone to a 2018 Chevy Equinox.